Hello, I'm Jared Paulson. We are down here in Louisville, Kentucky at the National Farm Machinery Show. I just wanted to show you here today our brand new 13-foot cutter, brand new to the Schulte lineup. We have our disc here at 3/4 of an inch thick with our 4-inch wide cutter blades. The deck thickness depth here is 13.6 inches, which gives you a lot of room for material as you're cutting, which is going to really be nice for distributing that grass back in the back end. We offer a couple different types of tires here. We obviously have laminates, flatless laminate tires at 20 inches. We also offer a forklift tire as well. Coming around to the back, we have lights just like you would always see. You can get these in standard axles as well as single axles, depending on your tire configuration. And we do have turnbuckles here for your wing leveling as well. We got our downshaft gearboxes rated at 130 horse, as well as our splitter gearbox rated at 250 horse. We have standard arm, keeping everything off the deck, keeping everything nice and clean and organized. Standard CV hitch, as well as our standard pro level hitch for hooking up your tractor. It's really nice. It is always flat and ready to go. It's easy for one person to do. For any other information that you want to learn about this thing, go to www.schulte.ca. There's lots of videos, pictures, information. All the specs are there. Go check it out.